Starting exercise 3, primary mathematics 3A, or we can say this one is the Singapore math. Which is greater, 4037 or 4073? So this case, the best way to find out first leftmost digit. Here is a 4, here is a 4. So we cannot decide which one is greater. Second, it's a 100 digit, it's a 0, also it's a 0. So till we cannot decide. But here, this is a 3 and this is a 7. So we know 3 is less than 7. That's why the greater is 4073. Okay. Next, which one is the smaller? So first we have to check the leftmost. It means here is a thousandth number. It's the 5 and 5 similar, 10 and 10 similar. Here is a 0 and here is a 1. So 0 is a less than 1. So 5001 is a smaller. Okay. Next one. Here is a 4 number. So which is the greatest number? So obviously in here only 4 is the highest number of leftmost digit. It's a thousandth number. So we can easily say this one is a 4082 is a greatest number. But what about smallest number? We will check between 3747, then 3761, 3671. So first we have to check the unit digit. Here is a 333. Sorry, it's not a unit digit, it's a leftmost digit. It means it's a 1000, it's a 100, it's a 10, and this one is a unit digit or digit 1. So all 1000 digits is 3. Next, our target to find out the smallest. So this is a 7, this is a 7, but this is a 6. So easily we can say 3671 is the smallest number among these numbers. Now, fill in the blank with the words greater or smaller. So 7685 is what? Here is a 7, 7. Here is a 6, here is a 8. So 7685 is smaller, right? Smaller than 7865. 5025 is a dash, then 5031. So 5500. Here is a 2, here is a 3. So we can say this one is a smaller than 5031. And what about this one? Here is a 5, 5. This is a 2, this is a 1. So this is a greater, right? It's a greater than 5199. Now look. Here is arrange the number in order, begin with the greatest. So first we have to write here is the greatest one. So we can serially write the number among this number 7406, then 7064, then 7640, and then 7604. So all the thousandth number is 7. So no need to check this one. Next, which one is the highest? Here 4040, but here is a 66, and this is a 4, this is a 6. So this is the first one, which is 7640. So obviously this is a second one, it's a 7604. And what about next one? It's a 4, here is a 0. So here is a 7406, and finally this is a 7064. Okay, now arrange the number in the order, begin with the smallest. So smallest number. So again we check this one. It's 8709, then 8970, then 8907, and finally here is 8790. So 8888, no need check, right? 888, no need check. So we have to find out the smallest one. Here is a 7, here is a 9, here is a 9, here is a 7. So we have to check between 709 and 790. So here is a 9, here is a 0. So this one is the smallest one, 78709. It's a 1. So next one is this one. It's the smallest, next smallest. It means 8790. So what about here is a 8989. Here is a 7, here is a 0, so we write 8907, and here is a 8970. Okay, so very easily we have to find out the two things. One is the greatest one and the other is the smallest one. Number 5. Use this card to make different 3-digit numbers. Here is a 3, 9, and 2. So first we can write like 9, 3, 2. Next one we can write 9, 2, 3. Next one we can write like smallest one, suppose 2, 3, 9. Next we can write 2, 9, 3. Next we can write 3, 9, 2, and finally we can write 3, 2, 9. Very smart question. I hope you cleared this one. Just randomly we pick this number and try to make a new numbers. It's based on 3 digits. Number 5B, here is a use these cards to make different 3-digit numbers, and the greatest number is what and the smallest number is what. So greatest number is the leftmost digit should be high, so it means 7, next 8, next 2, and the smallest one is the first one is the smaller number, so it's a 2, then 7, then 8. So what about the random number like 7, 8, 2? We can write next 7, 2, 8. Next we can write suppose 8, 2, 7. Then we can write 8, 7, 2. Next we can, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 we can write 2, 8, 7. 6 we can write 2, 7, 8. So which one is the highest? This one is the highest and this one is the smallest. Okay, so number A and B done. What is the greatest 4-digit number that can make using all digits? It's a 1038. So if you want to make the greatest one, so the top left digit should be high. It means next first one is the 8, second one is a 3, next one is a 1, and finally it's a 0. So 8310 is the greatest number of 4-digit from 1038 digits. What is the smallest 4-digit number that you can make using all the digits? So the leftmost should be smaller one, next smaller is a 5, next 6, next 7. It means 2567 is the smallest number from these 4 digits. So thank you very much for being with me. After this video, I have completed exercise 3 based on primary mathematics 3A. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice. Please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Edu Care.